Wow, what a mess! Hi guys, Disney Toys Review here. Today we have a story from Paw Patrol. Oh no! There was a party at Adventure Bay last night and look at the mess that's been left behind. This looks like a job for Paw Patrol. We need to clean up this mess. Skye! Hey Ryder, what's the problem? You don't see the problem? It's a little bit of a mess down here. That's right, Skye. Don't let the other Paw Patrol know we need them here for an urgent cleanup. Okay, Ryder? I'll do that. This could be very bad for the environment. Look at all this trash. It could get into our water and oh, just thinking about it makes me Let's hurry and clean it up. Rubble on the double! Look, Rocky's here too. And Marshall. Where's Chase, everybody? I think he got stuck a little ways back. I think he can't get out of all the trash. I'm gonna go check on Chase. Oh no, Chase. What happened? The wind started blowing and now I'm trapped. Ah! Well, we'll get this all cleaned up very soon, Chase. Let's get started, everybody. What a mess. Why don't people clean up their own trash? Then we don't have to work so hard to get it cleaned up. We can learn to recycle and take care of our planet. Yay! Wow, what a mess. Clean up, everybody clean up, everybody clean. Wow, we're nearly done. It doesn't even take that long if you have lots of people helping. It's really looking so much better. We'll have you out of there in no time, Chase. Oh, I think I can move. Yay! Woo! That was a lot of trash. We just have a little bit of cleanup left. Let's get it out of here. Mission complete! Wow! Adventure Bay looks great cleaned up. I wish we would all do our part to keep our city clean. I hope you guys will help us, and thank you guys for watching our video. Don't forget to stay tuned right here on Disney Toys Review for more videos with your favorite toys. Wow! It looks really great here.